Relative position in international airlift. Ted Marathon he's been racing in aviation enthusiast history the Baker Rail Hershey. Motorsports began at a young age.
Red Bull Air Race. Just scroll down and like this.
Thunder Road and the River
Deep sports channels.
in the late 1960s, experimental aircraft. The flight has been one of David's largely self-built. Personal goal of 301 miles per National Championship races at Reno, Nevada, where he took 4th place and finished in his Formula One monoplane. To put that into perspective, by age 30, over 10 years, the aviation world. In both cases, that's so competitive. Way back to Reno, completed his first international airlift contest and placed second. And it felt like airfield. You can see the performance that he's getting out of this airplane is exceptional. A highly modified a lot of power on the nose of the airplane, almost 400 horsepower under the hood. This plane is highly modified engine once again. This man can do it all. Takes around a sweeping outside turn. Found a little throw in his body. Just going to take the airplane again. Now we compare his performance to that of Arza. You can see the difference in the power that's under the hood. He has no problem gaining altitude and keeping the airspeed up where he wants. Right now he's taking just a moment once again to check it to the distance. Yes, he is operating properly. As he brings the airplane back around to the air simply put this market forward. negative V-strap that comes on the swinging flag, planted on the top of the aircraft to help hold him in the seat. And he's inside of a Bob Spacek. Over that 5-point hit, he also has another high union turnaround. He gets him lots of energy. He comes as he reaches over on the right-hand side, makes the airplane ends the vertical overhead and brings the plane back down to the runway. You won't be able to fly like that. Not at the beginning. But you can start an aviation career right here and join the ranks of professional aviators worldwide, as we will be. Carrying those 87 pilots today. Here comes Dan Alpha, the right-stage pass. All you notice